Welcome to Digi Dojo. My name is Q Harper. Today we are going to be doing a intermediate to advanced leg popping drill, which can almost be like a full body pop, because if you can pop from your foundation, it will radiate all the way up, making everything just look bigger, stronger, better. So let's go over how we do this, because you should have already done our beginner arm popping drills, our core upper body popping drills. For me, legs are a little more advanced because it is different. You're not just squeezing and releasing the muscles the same way you do with everything else. So let's go over how we do a lower body pop. Form, I'm going to set you up. You're just going to stand up straight, okay? Feet are going to be about shoulder width apart. Let's sit here, okay? Good hip hop / athletic stance. Now, I want you to slightly bend your knees, okay? So you're not locked out. In most cases, you will not lock out your knees in a hip hop class, technique, whatever. Knees are usually bent, okay? What I want you to do again is I want you to stand up straight, don't lock your knees, but then just give me the tiniest little bend, little baby squat. That's it. It's a little push, that push, that little bend right there is all the space we need. That tiny little bend. That's it. You barely even saw me move. Because some people go, do this whole bend, that's too much. Too much. One more time, in case you missed it. That's it. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take that tiny little bend and we're going to do it very fast. Okay? We are going to squeeze, you're still gonna squeeze those muscles. Okay, you're still gonna use your legs, squeeze those muscles, but you are trying to activate them by using them differently. With the arms, you're squeezing the arms. With the core, you're just squeezing the core. With the legs, you're going to put them in a motion. You're going to press very quickly and let your body go very quickly. Now, I want you to picture yourself, envision pushing your feet into the ground. Like if you were standing on a button and you could push it into the floor, okay? So that is what I want you to think. Now, naturally, doing that, you're gonna just kind of, if I'm bending down and I push it to the ground, I'm gonna stand up. And we're not trying to shoot up, we're trying to shoot down. So you're going to press into the ground. On 8, 5, 6, 7, press. Small bounce. 5, 6, 7. That's all we're doing. Now let's do that quicker. 5, 6, 7, boom. 5, 6, 7. Now, you should feel like you're trying to put your weight into the ground. So you should feel heavy, okay? Again, 5, 6, 7, press. The faster you do it, the more of that aftermath, you're gonna feel it radiate all the way up. So it's good to make sure that you have a good, strong stance and you do not lock out. Don't press it and stand up straight. Don't lock out, okay? Because then you're just gonna damage your knee, and we don't need that. 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7. Okay. You're gonna get into a round the world sequence again, but we're gonna get really used to just doing it in place to really connect with those muscles, because you should feel it. If you're doing it correctly, you're gonna feel it in your quads, your hammies, and your calves. Maybe even your glutes a little bit. All right, here we go. Throwing the music. So we are aiming for that baseline. Gives us enough time to hit and then set ourselves up to hit again, okay? We have a good bit of time in between each pop. Okay, counting you in. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, boom. That's cool. All right, shake it out if you need to, stretch if you need to, readjust if you need to. Okay, we're gonna do this again. This time, I'm just gonna count you in. I'm not counting you through, okay? Here we go, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, all right, cool. Hooah. Breathe through your motions. It doesn't seem like a lot, but if you're doing it right, you are gonna feel a little taxed. All right, your legs are big muscles and they take a lot of energy to really they drain you. Your legs can really drain you, okay? So let's get into this around the world. We're hitting our 4 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna step out to my front, boom, press. I have enough time to come back to my center and reset to my side, come back to my center, reset, go back, boom. So we're only popping on the outside of our clock, okay? Now, when we go faster, we will be popping, ooh, 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 ooh. But for now, okay, we're just gonna keep it real slow tempo so we can really control and really concentrate on hitting those pops and on time. Let's go through this thing. We're gonna do it around the world. I'm gonna count you in and count you through. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Good. All right. Here we go. Here we go. Wow, wow, wow. Just like your upper body, the more you stretch out, the more difficult your pop is gonna be. Now, the more dynamic it's gonna look too, yes. But just try to figure out where you are for now. My smaller steps will allow me to get a much bigger pop. And the further I go, the harder it's gonna be, okay? All right, here we go, let's do this. 5, 6, 7, 8. Full time. And good, good. All right, reset, reset. All right, guys, so we're going to reverse our clock. We were going this way. Now we're gonna be going this way, making our left leg a little more dominant. Here we go, slow tempo. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Good. All right, same thing, but this time I'm not counting you through, I'm just counting you in. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow. All right, breathe. Shake it out, shake it out. Our next speed, we're gonna go ahead and step it up. We're gonna be popping and moving much quicker, okay? Okay, so we're gonna go round, and then we're gonna go round. Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. All right, here we go. Reverse. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Wow. Good stuff, good stuff. Breathe. Same thing, both sides. I'm counting you in, I'm not counting you through. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Verse. 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow. Wow. Good job. So you just added leg popping to your full body situation. At this point, you've gone through the entire body. You are a full-blown popper. Boom, boom. Make sure you practice, connect to those muscles, get strong. You're already doing great. Keep up the good work. Check out the rest of the videos in our program, and it would be really, really awesome if you record a video of yourself practicing and doing these drills and tag us at Dancers Dojo. Thank you, and peace out.